What is going on, my good people, man? This is your main man, Ben, again with some tech deals, guys. We got a lot of positive feedback that we received last couple of weeks since we've been posting the tech deals. And yet, I have caught another good stuff that you can spend your stimulus money if you are into it. Specifically catered for the people that hunt cameras. So Canon just unleashed all the refurbished in a very, very good price that I have not seen before. Maybe in relationship with the Canon R5 that they just announced last week. So they're going to have to clear the inventory. So you might want to pay close attention if you're looking for cameras, specifically in Canada and United States region. Let's get into it. Okay, here we go. Pay close attention for this one. The refurbished units for the EOS M50 with 1545 f3.5 to 6.3 image stabilization STM lens. So this is a phenomenal deal, guys. Just 2 months ago, this was on my Target and Best Buy. They're around $519. But this thing is phenomenal if you like vlogging. Very compact. Of course, the reticulated screen that my A6100 doesn't have. And the dual pixel autofocus sensor for this one is highly respected. Comes along with this nice 1545 lens, STM. Very good lens, guys, for Canon. STM stands for Stepper Technology Motor, something like that. It all means to very smooth and silent focusing. That way you can shoot videos far more better and superior. $359 for a technology that was just released a couple of years ago, or maybe what, 2018 or 2019, I believe. But this is a deal. $359. You got a legit camera. Moving on, 77D. If you are into DSLR body, you can also get this one. I have no enough experience for this thing, but it looks like on specifications, it has that dual cross type autofocus sensor as well. It looks like, yeah. Comes with a lens? No, it's just a body. But there's a couple of refurbished bodies in here that took my attention. This specifically, EOS RP Body. This is a full frame camera, which is just underneath the EOS R3, I believe. But this is a good deal if you are going to find and look for your first full frame camera that is mirrorless. EOS RP is in that range, guys. I'll post all the links as usual in our description. And one last thing here is this one. If you're in the Rebel series photography, you got 2 lenses for $288. So you get a kit lens 1855, which is a smaller one, and you get a 75-300, all refurbished. They're very good reputation, guys. You know, they'll take it back if you don't, if you're not happy with it. But $288 for this is a spanking good deal for an introductory beginner DSLR. You can get all the description here as well. Notably, there's also lenses that took my attention here. More likely this one right here, EOS 10-18mm f4.5 image stabilized STM, whopping $197. That's good wide for studio, if you ask me. Vlogging, it's wide enough. Pair this thing with Ef-s. Pair this thing with your EOS M50. I believe you can get away with it with an adapter. So there's available adapter, third-party adapter. You can just adapt this thing and put it in your EOS M50 camera, which is not a bad investment at all, if you ask me. If you get an adapter There's Viltrox. There's other newer adapter in there that can just like under $100. Put it in there. You get a solid wide angle lens. You don't have to shed thousands and thousands of dollars. If you're not Casey Neistat or Peter McKinnon, you got a lot of money, then go ahead, go buy a nice one. But this is a solid deal. Also the 35mm 2.8 macro, also STM, very handy for portrait shots or close up for head, shoulder, body shots. It's amazing. And also this 24-105, also STM. These are all STM guys, notably very, very nice once again for shooting videos. And yep, I'll post all the link in the description. I hope you catch the deal. And also one last notably, if you like smart watches, I don't know if you like Samsung Galaxy Watch, but Best Buy just dropped it from $199 to $119. Brand new. Their open box is $400, but for extra $19, you get a brand new one. This is the Galaxy Watch Active Smartwatch 40mm aluminum. So there's a bunch of different colors in there. Let me see. Yep. Other colors are same price. So you are in luck. If you like Samsung watch gear, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Always remember, God is good all the time. Peace out.